Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Sir Walter. To make this drink, I'm going to start with my lemon juice. 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of fresh squeezed lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of orange liqueur, or orange curacao. 1 teaspoon again is 5 milliliters. 1 teaspoon of grenadine, and I do make my own grenadine. If you want to make some at home, feel free to check out the video here on the channel. The link will be in the description down below. It'll also be at the end of the video. And nothing beats homemade grenadine. Nothing. Well, other things do, but you can't buy a good grenadine at the store, in my opinion. Next, 3/4 of an ounce of your rum. And yes, I did drop the teaspoon in there because the grenadine is thick and I want to get it out. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce of your cognac-style brandy. 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 milliliters. Give my teaspoon a little swish. Pull it out. Get my ice. Add my ice. And give it a shake. Then, the recipe usually calls for a martini or a cocktail glass. I do not have them. I do, however, have these fancy new coupes, which are hereditary. Apparently my grandfather and my grandmother on my dad's side owned them. They came to me by way of my uncle and aunt, Becky and Mark. And so I'm just going to put it in there. And I'm going to enjoy these new glasses. And I probably should have double strained, but I didn't. Finally, the garnish. And the garnish is often a twist of lemon. I pre-twisted, or I pre-cut them. So I'm going to, like that, express, wipe. Maybe I can give it a little twist. Maybe I can't. And then I can drop it in. And there you have it, Sir Walter. Drink with good spirits.